That's crazy how it kicks. It's kicking us all that way. Damn!
Soft over here.
Is it? Y'all mind pulling me out? Oh, 1 second, Mark. I'm gonna throw this across. I got a little stuck. Oh, that's okay. No, don't get off. I'll get it. I don't want you to get all muddy. I'm good. I got stuck. I'll take care of it. I'm gonna hook up both straps so you have more pull.
Okay.
You sure you want to pull with your brand new bike? Okay. Well, all right. Hold on 1 second, buddy. Hold on. Well, let's see if you can get me with just that. Ugh. Ugh. Freaking crazy. Almost had it. If I would had some Mamba lights, I would have walked right through.
I don't know about that.
What the freak is this? Thanks, sir. Oh, I'm grabbing the wrong thing.
Yeah, it looks like it's getting deeper.
His?
It's softer, you know.
Oh yeah. I thought he was gonna make it all the way. I bet if y'all hit it and just ran through, y'all get it. You gonna hit it?
Look at it, look at it. I will.
You gonna stay on there?
If you dug it out a little bit, it's gonna be a little worse.
No, you
I think if you take that path he had, because he had a pretty good path.
Yeah, because he comes up on a little bit of hard dirt right
Yeah.
there in the middle of him. There's no way I'm doing it. I'm gonna sink like a dink.
I don't care if I sink. Oh, no, get me out.
Oh, of course we'll get you out.
Get you out, baby. Don't worry about that. Don't show the difference between that 570 and 1000.
Damn!
Yeah, I'll probably sink down faster.
My camera recording and clean?
Yes.
Hell yeah. Which way you going, buddy?
We'll go around where he's going.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh, it looks pretty nasty over there.
Dude, that does look bad. Look at that. You sure? Look at his face. He's not sure now.
Yeah, look.
What'd you think about that, Carol? That was bad. That was worse than bad. And you're gonna
on the glasses, it's serious.
You're gonna let him do that on the brand new bike? Oh no.
The heat kills the battery.
Yeah. Woo! Woo! Oh shit! God dang!
Get back, boy! Hold on!
Oh, he got it! Hell yeah! I don't even want to try that. There's no way.
Hey,
I don't got enough wheel speed.
don't get it out of first. I really don't think you have enough wheel speed.
I don't have enough wheel speed. No, I don't. I know when I'm. Look at how clean their tires are too. Look how clean those tires are.
Yeah, because they were slinging.
That's crazy. That's freaking crazy. Hey, Mark, do it again. Holy shit.
Where'd he go through this time?
Right.
Wherever
Yeah.
you wanted to.
Are you going again?
I did.
Oh God.
You better hold on. Oh! Damn. And let's see that Polaris do that. Oh shit. Okay. Damn. And he got it. There it is. Woo. That was badass.
Hey,
Who that? Ah, that said it. You got to do it.
I don't know much, but that just looked like a call out to me.
You gonna try it again, cuz? You gonna go that way or this way?
Look at it.
No. Yeah. It ain't going nowhere. I need you to back up.
Now I'll come pull you out, cuz. No, hell no. I'm gonna go get my cousin out. No, that's y'all's. That's all y'all right there. The Honda knows when it's met its match. Here, hold my camera. Make sure you don't be sliding around. Hey, hey, hey.
There's a big root right here. Don't worry, cuz you're going right over top of it. Okay. That works.
Nah. Nah.
You have no traction on your tires right now.
Yeah, no.
Clean them out. You have less traction than I do.
Man, this shit's.
You gonna hit it with 800? You've already been riding it for an hour.
I got nothing to prove. The other guy represented for the Players family.
Yeah, I didn't think he was gonna make it. I thought he was gonna fucking break.
Not only did he make it, but he went through that hole.
Yeah.
This hole's deeper than that hole.
Yeah. That thing, it was spinning those tires fine. They spin them just fine. I was surprised. I was like, oh.
Was that like a 6-inch lift that he's got on there?
Yeah, it looked like it. That's fucking big.
So wide on those 6 speeds though.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
You going through, Ben? Damn, that looks crazy. Are those trees?
Yeah.
That's nuts.
That's from camping.
Through camping. So, let's get this straight. The Rubicon got stuck. The 570 Can-Am Renegade got stuck. The two 1000s made it, no problem. Several times.
The Polaris did not get stuck.
The Polaris 800 didn't even attempt it.
But it did not get stuck.
It didn't get stuck because it was too chicken shit to try it.
So you hopped over it.
Same thing for the other Polaris.
You hopped over
It was
it.
just, what? I'm just saying. I'm just I just gotta let everybody know what are you doing?
I'm gonna go through the motherfucker now.
What?
I'm not gonna be that guy.
Better go.
Dig it out.
Hey, come back! Come back!
Plenty power.
Man, that's crazy. That's what.
We saw him hit the stump.
Did he?
Yeah.
Where was it?
So it's a little bit. I guess it's a long ways right there. You saw. Okay, yeah. That felt the top of the water.
Wait, where's the stump at? Carol, your camera is covered. All right, you ain't no fucking bitch, all right?
I'm not that guy.
God dang. All right, so let's start this over. The Honda Rubicon couldn't even make it halfway. The 570 Renegade, let's not even talk about it. The 800 Polaris, well, it's a little too clean to have done anything. The 1000 high lifter, it's all right. She bad. And of course, the 570 got muddier than the damn 800. That's all I'm saying. Yeah, these Renegades, I like these Renegades. Better close that buddy for you, fill that thing full of mud.
Thank you.
All right, Ben.
Dilly.
Dilly Dilly.